Today I'm setting up a booth at Andy's on River Road for their Christmas lights celebration. Follow along as you see the booth setup. My latest book here is Dear Beloved Scribe, and stay tuned for the parade of lights at the end. If you're looking for a fun and festive way to celebrate the holidays, find a local parade or light display to attend.
We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho, ho,